Okay, some of the tags we will discuss, guys. So inside that, I'm creating a one. Say I'm removing the buttons and all. Please, are you doing, guys? Are you following me? How to use buttons, everything? See, for the button, you need to use the extra class BTN. Are you getting? After that, only you have to use the properties. BTN first you have to use. BTN it is nothing but a short form of the button. Are you getting short form of the button? Just I have used. After that only I have used. In some of the cases directly I was used. For example, for the heading tags you have to use means just class and a display 4. Display means this is a 6 types of display we have. So everything I have given. Background means just a BG. Short forms we are using. LG means large, SM means small, and MD means medium. See, this is under words and are very very important. When I am doing the grid system, I used to do everything large. Large means LG, medium, small, everything. I used to use these words only. So you should know what is LG, what is SM, what is MD, everything. See, it may be boring, but you should know these kinds of things. Small, small things, no one will teach you this and all. Are you getting? So, if you go for the companies and all, just they will use the class I have used button primary. Just you have to use. But if they are telling means you should know this comes under the bootstrap property. Primary means that is a one color name. Danger means that is a one color name. You should know. Are you getting? So you don't think danger andre words I have think in another way. Don't think in another way. Warning means this is a one color. Are you getting? Success means there is a one color they are using. Are you getting, guys? Okay. Next, we are seeing some of the tags we will see. HTML tags we will see. See here. Now I have done one. I will create a one paragraph. I have created a one paragraph. Okay. Inside the paragraph, I'm using a one new tag called mark. Mark I'm creating. So inside that mark, I'm using that word. If you see this word, how it works here. See here, if you see the output, see it is coming highlighting that color. That word only highlighting. Are you getting? Mark means if you use that mark tag, it highlights the word in like a light pink color. It is giving. Are you getting? So it gives the highlight the word. If you want to highlight means you can use the mark tag. Are you getting, guys? Mark tag. Why how to use the mark tag to highlight the colors? And if you use the delete, same paragraph I'm creating, lorem dummy words on 10 I'm using. If you use del, you already know del means delete, like it gives the scratch. How we are using, how we have done in the css decoration, right? So here, if you want to see the css decoration, see line through, it scratch the word. Same way you can use, instead css decoration you can use the line tag also. So if you use, sorry, delete it, same how it works, line through it works. See here, inspiring. See where they are using means, for example they will give the offer 75 offers. For example here, mobile price may be 40,000. What they will give means they will scratch that number for 40,000. After that they will, below that they will give the 39, sorry, 35,000. How they are using the delete tag. Are you getting, guys? How they are using the delete tag in offers and all? For example, Flipkart, Amazon and all, they will scratch the word, and below that they will give the another number of price. How they are using the delete, or using the text decoration. Using these both things they are using the line through text decoration they are using. And we already know you means what in word documents and all we were using. You means what? Word and all. You. Yeah, underline only. Same underline here also same it works. Hello. If you use underline, it works the underline. Taking the here HELL is it is the underlined. And also we have a another tag called INS. Same it works as the INS. Same it's like a underline only. If you want to see a like a underline only it will come. INS also you can use, and you can able to use the you also they will use. Just you have to know, you should know these and all tags we have. That's it guys, no need to mug up, no need to keep in your mind everything guys. Just if you see the word INS means okay, maybe it may be there, and check it over there, there itself check it, so you will get to know. DEL means that is for scratching. So like that, just keep it in your mind, no need to keep it in your mind everything, no need to remember everything guys. After that we have a strong means we have discussed already. Strong means what? Strong. Yeah, like a bold. Instead bold, we are using the strong. Like a dark color, it comes. See here, it comes the bold. Bold color, it comes. EM means what is the expansion of EM? Yeah, emphasized. Emphasized means it comes in the form of italic, right? For example, hello world. See this week, next week, only within the week, I need to complete the Bootstrap, and I'm going for the JavaScript. So we have to hurry up for the JavaScript. Another 3 months we need to complete, and we have to focus on the project, guys. So please, your attention and your hours we need, I need. So please dedicatedly watch the, follow the classes so that you will understand. Whenever you are going for the project work, or I'm taking the class means you should not miss the classes guys. That's it. If you miss one class, next class you will not get it. It's not like our subjects. For example, theory classes, see everything it's a application oriented. You need to practice, you need to watch the classes. That's it, you need to follow everything, each and every steps you need to follow. That's it. If you theory class means however you will read and you will write in your exam, but application oriented practice practical means you need to application oriented web page, or you need to build a websites or web pages means you should know each and A to Z, you should know, otherwise you cannot. That's why I'm telling, please don't bunk the classes. Are you getting? So if you emphasize means it gives the like a italic, say hello world, it is coming. Say everything it's like a chain, so one after one it will link. That's why I'm telling, so don't bunk the classes. And if you want the word has to come smaller size means you can use the small. For example, for this sit has to come the small. If you use the small tag, you will get the that word will come small. See, if you want to learn Bootstrap, you must know CSS and HTML, guys. You must know. See that word here. See, compare dollar and emmet. See, it is a small word. Are you getting? So, if you want, you can use it. See, much more many tags we have. So, just for the reference, I have used mark, bold, how to use bold, delete word, you, ins, strong, emphasize. We have C. And so far we have discussed with the typography, we have discussed What is typography means? Headings. What are the headings we have? We have discussed today's class, and should know how to set up the bootstrap. See, if you use directly, it won't come. So if you use, for example, I have used without linking the bootstrap and a script, it won't come. Again, I'm repeating. Or you need to install. Go to terminal and install the components. Install that package. Just go or say introduction download, how to download they will give. So no need. If you want to give or if you want to use a bootstrap means, first step what you have to do, first you have to copy the CDN and you have to paste it in your web page. Clearly understand, guys? First step, whenever you want to use the bootstrap means, you must copy the CDN and you have to paste it over the inside the heading tags, and after that you need to use the JavaScript. Copy that CDN JavaScript path and paste it in your VS code. That is your first step. After that, where to use the bootstrap, that one you should know. So inside that you usually use the one. So first you need to create a one class. So inside the class only you need to use the bootstrap words. And another one last thing I will explain. See, we usually use the button. For example, if you use the button, whenever we click, it redirect to another page. And another way also we usually use the anchor tag. So I'm giving the, see here, hash means, sorry, wherever you use, most of the time you use, they use see the hash word. Okay, hash means that is the dummy word, that dummy path. Clearly understand, hash means dummy path. Whenever you need a path means, you don't know, you don't have a path, but later I want to use that path, in that place I need to use the path means, you can use the hash. You will see the most of the time hash word. So that is means, that means that is the dummy path we are using. After that, I'm creating the login. See here, anchor tag also you can able to use that. Login, see, link means if I click on that word, it will redirect to another, that link. According to that link it will go. See here, now what I have done, I have used the login. After that, I'm seeing the word, that login. So it comes as like a link, it will come. Login, it came. See, now I'm changing this link as a button. How will you change? Same concept. I'm using the class. Say class is equal to, how will you use button? You have to use the button. After that only button hyphen, I'm using the info. For example, if you save and see means, see this change here, like a button it came. Though it is an anchor link, anchor tag, but you can able to change the anchor tag as like a button. Keep it in your mind. You can able to change it. Some of the time, most of the time you will see here, like a link, it can like come, it comes as the like a button. How they are doing, like using the bootstrap only they are doing, using the components they are using. Are you getting, guys, how they I have changed login word into button? In our, for example, in our college websites, if you go and see means, if you see in the inspect, just go to and inspect, if you see the words means, they have most of the times they have used the bootstrap only. By using the bootstrap they have done projects, application. For example, your ERP also done by the bootstrap only. If you go and see the Roshan sir, you know, right, Roshan sir, go to Roshan sir chamber, and if you want to see the at the back end, so delete, info, everything they have used these by using the Bootstrap itself. They have used. So whenever you free, go and check it here. Check the backend part and all. You can able to see the Bootstrap words components. You can see here. And buttons also you can able to group it. See how I'm grouping. If you want to group that word, you can able to group it. I'm creating a one div tag. See, for that div, I'm using class is equal to btn hyphen group. I have used. After that, what I have done, I'm creating the button login. Login I will create class is equal to btn hyphen info. I'm using same. How it works, just see it, guys. That's it. Btn, instead of login, I'm giving the cancel. Cancel I have used. Instead of info, I'm using the danger. Danger I'm using. And success also I'm giving. Copy and I'm pasting the word. Instead of danger, I'm giving the success. 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 Guys, are you following me? See here, just I have used the btn group. Okay, to do this one, see, to group that one, how much time it takes for cnn, it is we don't know. But see, within a one two lines, what I have done here. See here, everything came in a like a group. How it looks nice, right? So if you want to center, if you want to bring the center also, what we have to do, you have to do the text align, everything you have to use. Same way you can able to use the center also. See here, for example, h1 I'm creating hello. Guys, are you following me? Okay, see here, hello word came. It has to come center. What we were doing, we need to use the, we need to use the text align, we need to select h1, everything we used to use within a class. One class we can able to bring it here. See here, I'm creating class is equal to text hyphen, just I'm using the center word. That's it. That hello will come center. Why it does not come? P class is equal to text hyphen center. See means open with light server. This here now. Why it's not coming? What nothing is there. Hello. Save. It has to come center. Why center spelling wrong? CNTRE. No, center correct, right? What? End if you give text end. Yeah, why it's not coming? Oh, sorry. I'm using inside the div. That's why it's not coming. See, that is the problem. Open h1 class is equal to center center, and I'm using the hello. See, last time I have done here inside the div tag means, so within the that box, see here, within the box it will come. What I have done here, this ppt it's very taking too much. See here, now if you give the text hyphen center means, text hyphen center means the word will come center. See here, it will come center. If you want end means, instead of center you give end, so it will come end. So by default we have a start. This one also you can able to give the center. See, button info btn hyphen center. No, it won't come because I have used the group. See here, same word I'm using, taking, copying and pasting here. Pasting here, I'm using btn hyphen center. What happens, we will see here. Okay, it is not, see here, inside that word it is coming center, that's it. Okay, okay, you want to take means, okay, center, if you want to that word means we have to use, there is no option for, you have to select and you have to use the which one, you have to use the flex box. Are you getting flex box, you need to use. So you have to use the justify content and you have to use the align item if it is want to come means. So if you want to use the text to center means, you can use the text end, text start, and you can use the text center, you can use it. And if you want the word has to become bold means, font width, you can use this property also, and bold, can use the bold. See here, I'm using the different classes in a same line. How to use, just you have to give the space, that's it guys, you have to give the space and you have to provide. If you want to use the multiple classes means, in a one class, just say it is a one class and I have used the another class. See here, I have used btn, and you can use success means, sorry, outline means, you can use outline also, like that you can use it. See, I have done font bold hello. See here, see the difference, this came, this hello came very bold, you can use it. So if you want to give the center means, see, if I remove, it comes in a different way, center it will come, let it come center. See, hello is coming different way. If I use font width fw hyphen bold, bold, it comes here bold, it has been changed. This is how you can able to use it. So I hope you understood something about the bootstrap. If I'm not wrong, something you understood, right? How to link the bootstrap, just go to bootstrap and you have to copy that cdn. Just go to bootstrap, go to bootstrap, click on that, and use the install or a cdn. Copy this one link and javascript and paste it over your html. I hope you understood how to use some of the things. For example, class, inside the class, how to use uh, headings, display, and how to use the colors. What are the colors we have discussed. Are you getting? Just go to documents. If you want to see the colors, means see you have a lot of options here, guys. Just to go to colors. Where is the color? Colors we have. So go to colors and we have some of the colors we have. If you want a different colors, means you can use it here. See, theme colors: primary, secondary, success, danger, warning, info, dark, light, we have seen. And if you want, and we have seen typography. Reboot means it changes the reboot also, we have seen. Typography. See, typography means headings. We have the some we have the headings, right? So how to use the classes? Inside the class we have discussed, and the display we have discussed. And this, you need a lead, means we have discussed. Inline, highlight, how to use, how to scratch, we have discussed. Here some of the tags we have discussed. Mark, small, su, we have discussed. And if you want a image for the now you can able to understand. See, if you want a image, want to give thumbnail. For the thumbnail means how to use just image thumbnail. If you use just here inside the class, image thumbnail means automatically comes 200. It takes the 200 into 200 pixel. Alignment means just you need to use the block. See here, our rounded flat start means it gives the corner everything. Are you getting? So it gives the start and it gives the end. Like this you have to use. It has to come center, means rounded, maximum, auto, and d block. Like this you have to use. So if you can, if you want to want image you want to design, means you can able to use the this image document. And see here, tables colors you want to check it here. See these colors, same colors, guys. Primary, secondary, success, danger, warning, info, light, dark, everything applies. All the colors applies here. If you study the colors everywhere, you can able to apply. Table primary, table secondary. See the color for this one. Table secondary, table success. So according to that it gives the changes. Are you getting? So if you want everything is a draw dark color, means just use the table dark, it comes the dark color. This is how you have to use it. I hope you know something about the bootstrap, but it is not a, it is a, like a introduction. But the main thing is about the grid system. Only I will focus on the grid system. After that I will move on to the javascript. That much is enough. Bootstrap is, inside the bootstrap we usually use the grid system. That is the main concept. But somehow you should know how to use the bootstrap classes and all, components and all. If you see some of the classes like this, if it is there in your code, means you should understand this is a bootstrap classes and all they have used. You guys, I hope you understood the today's class, though it may a theory class for you. But I hope you have understood something about the bootstrap. Is that clear, guys? Okay. So that's it for today's class. Today is enough, because if I give everything in a one class, you may find difficulties. You may feel burden. That's why. So this is today's class, guys, about the bootstrap. Is there any doubt with the bootstrap, guys? Just understand the how the classes and all working, where to use, where they're using. That much is enough. After that, later on, if you see the codes and all, you will get to know. Slowly you will get to know. Even I was, when I was starting the bootstrap, I had a big trouble with the bootstrap, because that grid system, what is lg mg, no one taught me like this. So I had myself, I sat and I researched somewhere. So I hope you understood today's class. Is that clear, guys? Okay. So we will do the hands-on experience from the next classes. So today is enough, guys. Thank you. Is there any doubt, guys? I hope you understood. Okay. If is there any doubt, please let me know. I will clarify, guys. Okay. Okay. Thank you.